Good morning, students. We are going to start the concept of cloud computing. Is what all the challenges which will emerge into the cloud computing. So definitely cloud computing is having several advantages to store the data, to retrieve the data, and etc. But because of some uh, work nature, he is having itself in its own challenge. Like first, when you can consider that the cloud server has to maintain a large data storage volume of the server. Why? Because each users will be having different amount of pile of data to store. And when some users are requesting to store 3 terabyte or maybe multiples of 10 terabytes, we can't say that no, we don't have the server. So we need to maintain a large volume of storage capacity for the cloud computing, which is one of the challenge definitely. And the second one is suppose that we have to use the concept of virtualization in cloud storage. Now, my data is real. So real concept, real data storage with the concept of virtualization, synchronizing these two different technologies are bit a challenge. Sometimes it fails. Sometimes virtualization will not support the realistic requirement of the user. In that case, this is the one of the challenge which cloud computing is having. Second is confidentiality. Definitely, you are going to store your data into the server which you don't know where it is located. Suppose that if some bank people is having their bank details, customer details, and they are storing into the server, but they will not be knowing that which server and the server basically where it is located and situated. So again, it is a threat for the person and customer and users that if someone can hack their details or their data. But it is the one of the drawbacks which cloud computing may have, but we can increase the security and increase the levels of security layers to protect this. The last one is suppose that your server is in UK. The rules, the legal complications are different. But when you talk about the India, here legal issues are different. So when we wanted to store the data internationally, definitely we need to encounter many legal activities, many legal compliances of different countries, which is really a difficult task, challenging task to overcome all the difficulties. So these are the certain drawbacks, major drawbacks related to cloud computing. But right now we are utilizing the cloud computing, and all the users are getting benefited by overcoming these challenges in a limited way. Thank you. Thank you very much. Got it, sir?